Everybody at the tower knows I started thinking since you told me so, mama. Everybody at the tower knows I started thinking since you told me so, mama.
And welcome to our special comic relief Red Nose Day Connected Assembly. I hope you've really enjoyed that little introduction. So you've met everybody in school almost. We're going to share lots of fun things with you today, including our Serenity Oathnos, including birthdays and a few other bits and bobs. So stay tuned. Here's our birthdays first of all. Well, hello! Welcome to our birthday slot.
Mr. Knight, you've got the wrong things on. It's not children in need, it's comic relief.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, bye, Patsy.
Hey, that's alright.
Hooray! So we've got a few birthdays today. I've got one birthday from a staff member. It's Miss Morris's birthday this week. And let me tell you some more.
Woo!
And we've got some other boys and girls. We've got from Year 3 Miss Fitzgerald, it's Kareem's birthday.
Woo-hoo!
It's also in reception, Mrs. Biden's class, it's Isabella's birthday. You can say your name, Isabella. Happy birthday! Oh, that's lovely and soft. Oh, sorry. Right, okay, I've got in Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class, it's Isla's birthday. Remember, happy, Isla. Also in Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class, it's been Millie's birthday. Remember, happy, Millie. And last but not least, it is in Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class again, it's Jonah's birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friends. Happy birthday to you. Pembroke happy CT. Pembroke happy CT. Pembroke happy Sir Ffrindiau. Pembroke happy CT.
What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. It's not Beyonce, it's me, Miss Higgs.
Want to hear a joke about DIY? Yeah, I'm still working on it. It's not the Beeb, it's Mr. Jones.
It's time for our Serenite Oathnos, our stars of the week. And today I've got somebody special to help me. Somebody who is a little bit like me, so very, very clever. So I decided to call him just for today, he's called Mini Mr. Knight. So he's going to help us by telling us all the names of the Serenity Oathnos from Foundation Phase. So first of all, from Nursery AM, who is it? What's the name of the person who's our star of the week in Nursery AM? Mini Mr. Knight?
Lyle!
Or joining in all the actions with our Pie Corbett story, The Little Red Hen. Okay, who's next? What about Nursery PM?
Indy!
That's right, Indy, I remember now. Thank you, Mini Mr. Knight. Indy for sitting so beautifully during circle time and always having a beautiful smile on her face. Okay, who's next then? Can you tell me who is our star in Reception Mrs. Biden's class?
Amaya!
Oh, brilliant news. Well done, Amaya. You are star because you are always trying your best in school in everything that you do. Okay, Mini Mr. Knight, what about Reception Miss Jamal's class?
Divot!
Divot, that is fantastic news. I hear that you have been blending sounds to read your words. That is a really important skill. Okay, Mini Mr. Knight, we need to know about Year 1 Mrs. Barnes' class. Who is our star from Miss Barnes' class?
It's Jennifer Mr. Knight!